nautical miles since the flag off on 19th of August 2009. On 19th of August 2009. On 19th of August, he was at sea for 273 days. On 19th of August 2009, 273 days at sea, all by himself. The officer faced treacherous sea. I'm speaking about the number because coming from Delhi, one has to translate this into simple language. Delhi walas, they have a big problem understanding maritime details. Firstly, in Delhi, you don't have sea. Secondly, because of the air pollution, you cannot see. No sea and cannot see, and so therefore it's a big money. You need to explain to all these people from the north in very simple terms. Now, Navika Sagar Parikrama which was the third circumnavigation mission undertaken by the Indian Navy, was done by a 6-member crew entirely consisting of naval officers. They be called women naval officers, lady naval officers. Well, I have always been of the view they are brave naval officers. But as our nation has embraced the noble ideal of Nari Shakti, and the Indian Navy leads its way. So we will specify that the Navika Sagar Parikrama was undertaken and successfully completed by an all-women crew of 6 brave lady naval officers. Now they cast off on the 10th of September 2017, and Again, on board INS Tarini, carrying out a circumnavigation which went across 22,000 nautical miles in 254 days. The team sailed across three great capes, again crossing the equator twice, which is a condition of circumnavigation. You have to cross the equator twice to be considered a circumnavigation. And this circumnavigation was famously referred to as Navika Sagar Parikrama, because of the all-women crew, and besides battling the challenges of the seas during the circumnavigation, the team recorded meteorological, oceanic and wave data and even kept a track of marine pollution. The team also became a part of several social engagements in host countries during their stopovers. Well, we all know this. What has been happening in our country over the past decade. The world is watching. And all the so-called big powers in the world now know that when India undertakes a mission, it's going to be achieved. That is the self-confidence, the self-belief which our nation has embraced. The time has come also to give you a brief about Insv Tarini. Now, this boat is going to go across the world for the second time. Insv Tarini was built indigenously by Aquarius Shipyard at Goa, the yard that built the Madhavi. We talk of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Well, this is also a golden chapter of it. So the yard that built Madhavi, Insv Tarini, is oval of 17.1 meters in length, capable of running solely on wind power and enduring long durations at sea. Tarini also has an onboard reverse osmosis plant that is capable of generating 30 liters of water per hour. an electronic chart plotter with GPS. GPS is not related to IPS, Global Positioning System, for those of you, okay? I told you I'd forewarned you. Dhonde, Commander Abhilash told me, Lieutenant Commander Payan. Gupta, Lieutenant Commander
This is the story of bravery, commitment in 2002.
चक्र को जल यात्राओं के प्रति उनके योग
GR is a sailing race where the participants
Please divert. Move to last known position.
with a titanium rod inserted in the spine and again all odds, he participated in GGR 2022. Abhilash's sailing commenced on the 4th of September 2022. From Les Sables d'Olonne in France. Shortage of drinking water was not the only obstacle he faced during this journey. Due to the two knockdowns during extreme weather near Cape Horn, the steering system of his boat was damaged. He had to modify the toilet door and the anchor to repair the steering system. Driving all
Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters of the media, many people believe that today is a special occasion. A special occasion. I'm sorry. I disagree. Today